Good morning, children. This is Rajni, English faculty of DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahim Patnam. Today we are going to see a new poem, Boat Sail on the Rivers, which is the first poem in your textbook. Boats sail on the river. Listening to the heading itself, you feel, children, it's very interesting. See, rainbow, water flowing, boat, everything. It's very interesting. See, it is giving a way. Now see the poem. Before going to the poem, we'll see about the poet. This poem was written, we should not say poem, children, poem. This poem was written by Christina Rossetti. This poem was written by Christina Rossetti. See about her. Christina Rossetti's lifetime was given 5th December 1830 and died in 29th December 1894. She was an English poet who wrote romantic, devotional and children's poems including Goblin Market and Remember. Understood, no, children? Remember is also the name of the poem. Christina Rossetti was an English poet who wrote romantic and devotional poems apart from poetry for children. Her children's poems are written in simple English and are often about the marvels of nature. Mostly she used to write about nature. So that's why children are very interested to recite the poem and learn the poem. Because they are very interesting. Now see, difficult words. Sail. S-A-I-L. Sail. Travel. That means travel. Sail. S-A-I-L. Sail. Travel. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Picture was also given. Children, clouds are of different shapes. Is it or not? Have you found only one shape? No. Number of shapes. And they are odd shapes. Some are like rabbit shape and some are like teddy bear shape and some are like bird shape. Different shapes. All shapes also we'll find in the sky. Is it, children? Now, rainbow. Rainbow, you are very interested. It is, we'll see that rainbow in rainy season. Is it or not? Whenever you see the rainbow, you'll call your neighbor friends also to see the rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Vibgyor. Vibgyor means V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. Vibgyor means violet. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green. And Y for yellow, O for orange. And last but not the least, R for red. Rainbow has 7 colors. Vibgyor. And prettier. Rainbow is very prettier. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Prettier. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Is it? And see. Bridge. B-R-I-D-G. Bridge. Bridge means nothing but a way to walk on the bridge. A structure carrying a road. A structure carrying a road. See, another bridge. A structure carrying on the road. And now see the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Once again, see, children, this is the first stanza poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. One by one we will see the poem. Boats sail on the rivers. Children, we all know you too will prepare paper boats in rainy season. Is it? When water is there in front of your house, you will prepare paper boats and you will enjoy with your friends. And you will encourage your friends also to prepare the paper boats and sail. Is it or not? So here also boats sail. Boats only they will sail on the rivers and ships. See, the ships, where the ships will sail? It will sail on the sea. But clouds that sail. Clouds, where will the clouds sail? Clouds also will sail. Where will the clouds sail? across the sky. Clouds will sail across the sky. Or prettier, far than these. Here the poet compares the clouds with boats sail on the rivers and ships that sail on the seas. Because the poetess feels clouds are very beautiful than the boats that sail on the rivers and ships that sail on the seas. The clouds are prettier than the boats that sail on the rivers and ships that sail on the seas. What are prettier, children? Clouds. Clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than boats that sail on the rivers and ships that sail on the seas. Understood now, children? Now see the second stanza of our poem. See, there are bridges on the rivers. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Now see each and every line. See, there are bridges. Where are the bridges? There are bridges on the rivers. These bridges are on the rivers. When we go to the river, we will see that there is a bridge on the rivers. Okay? They are very pretty as you please. See the bridge. See. Water is very blue in color because the sky is reflecting. See the bridge. The bridge is very beautiful. See, the bridge is beautiful than the bridge on the rivers. The bridge is prettier than the bridges on the river. The bridge is prettier than the bridge on the river. Okay, understood now, children? Now see. But the bow that bridges heaven, the bow that bridges heaven, see, the bow that bridges heaven. Here see, the bow, see, rainbow. Rainbow is bridging heaven. Bridging heaven. It is bridging, that means it is giving the way to the heaven. It is giving the way to the heaven. And overtops the trees. See. And overtops means nothing but it is above the trees. The rainbow is above the trees. What is the bow here? Rainbow. Where is the rainbow? It bridges the heaven. See. It bridges the heaven. That means it is giving the way to the heaven. And it is above the tree. The rainbow is above the tree. And builds a road. See, here it is giving a road. It is building a road from earth to sky. Earth to sky. See here, from earth to sky. It is building a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Is prettier far than these. Understood now, children? The rainbow looks like a bridge in the sky. What is the meaning here, children? The rainbow, bow. Bow looks like a bridge. Bow is like a bridge in the sky. Rainbow looks like a bridge in the sky. And it connects the earth and the sky. It is connecting earth and the sky. The rainbow does not build a bridge between earth and heaven, but it seems to connect earth and sky. Really, children, actually, rainbow does not really build a bridge between earth and sky, but it seems to us, but it seems to us that it connects earth and sky. Understood, children? The bridge is prettier than the bridges on the river, and here the bow bridges heaven means the rainbow is connecting earth and sky. Really, it will not build a bridge between earth and sky, but it seems that it connects earth and sky. Understood, children? Now once again see our poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Once again say, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Once again, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Next stanza, see children. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Understood, children? Then see, nature is full of beautiful things that makes us happy. Nature is full of beautiful things that make us happy. The world is filled with beautiful things like boats in the rivers and the clouds and rainbow in the sky. Understood, no children? Have a nice day, children.